Okay, so in a previous video we defined a few of Earth's systems, and now we're ready to talk about the flow of matter and energy between those systems. First, let's talk about an open system. Take a look at the ocean water rolling over the beach. What is happening to its matter? And I mean the water, salt, sea foam, and other particles. And what's happening to its energy, the motion and the heat? Well, those waves are losing mass because the sand is soaking in the water, and some of that water is even evaporating into the air, and the sea foam is washing ashore. The kinetic or motion energy of the wave is getting absorbed by sand grains that are getting picked up and moved, and some of that energy is actually getting transferred into friction. So the ocean system is losing its mass and its energy to other systems. And in turn, the ocean is also receiving mass and energy from other systems. The waves churn oxygen and heat into the ocean from the atmosphere. They pick up salts and other particles of silt from the coastal sediments on the beach. This is an open system. Open systems, by definition, exchange matter and energy with other systems. Okay, now let's talk about closed systems. Our planet as a whole just doesn't lose mass. Okay, we have our gravity, a protective atmosphere, and a magnetosphere, which is like a magnetic force field, all of which protect our planet from the bombardment of particles from space and from us losing our precious gases and matter. So, by and large, matter doesn't really leave our system, but energy does. Solar energy from our star heats our atmosphere, and heat in the atmosphere leaks out into space. So by definition, closed systems only exchange energy with other systems. They're not going to gain or lose any mass. Now I'll end this video with one more way to think about open and closed systems, specifically as it relates to humanity. Okay, imagine you are a flower producer. You could grow your crop of flowers in an open system out in the field, or you could choose a closed system like a greenhouse where you have more control over what enters that system, right? You could say what kind of nutrients come in, exactly how much heat and light. You can keep pests out, right? Okay, but here's the important thing. Open and closed systems are theoretical. All systems are open to some degree, but it can be useful to look at a set of things as a closed system too. Okay, so let's think back to last module to that two worlds idea of human experience. Which kind of system do you think we as humans prefer? And which have we historically tried to foster? And is that sustainable for our future?